Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're looking at Listnr or Listnr, Listr. Now this is a to-do list app that judges you more than your mom. Let's be real, staying organized is like trying to herd cats while riding a unicycle. So enter Listnr, the app that promises to turn your chaotic scribbles into a productivity masterpiece. But does it actually work, or is it just a digital nag that laughs at your unfinished tasks? Grab your coffee and maybe a therapist and let's dive in. Now, they're going to examine the good, the bad, and the why is it yelling at me? Another way of saying ugly. Moving on. Category is tax management. Now, the pro for this is that Listnr turns I'll do it late into a fancy checklist, which is progress. Now, for the con, overdue notifications hit harder than your 3 p.m. existential crisis. Let's go to collaboration category. The pro is that it shares lists so your partner knows you did buy milk. See? It's like having receipts. Receipts, actually. Now, the con is that group projects reveal who's actually carrying the team. Awkward. Moving on to design. It is so sleek, it almost makes folding laundry feel glamorous. That's for the pro. For the con, minimalistic UI equals hiding features like your ex hides emotions. Moving on to reminders. When it comes to reminders category, it pings you until you finally call your mom back guilt-free. When it comes to the con, gentle nudge mode is a lie. It's more like a fire alarm. Lastly, when you look at Freak Plan. Yes, it has basic features that won't cost you a kidney, unlike therapy. And the con is that the premium unlocks color coding, also known as paywall-induced rage. So what's my final verdict? You might be thinking, should you list it? Should you let Listnr run your life? For reformed procrastinators, your answer should be yes. You are basically Maria Kondo right now. But for chaos enthusiasts, your answer to this should be, stop trying to control me, Robert. What am I saying? Listnr is like a peppy personal assistant. Great for structure, brutal with reminders, and weirdly obsessed with your grocery list. So use it to audit, any little you like. But don't let it bully you into alphabetizing your space rack. P.S. If you finish all your tasks, the app rewards you with nothing. So welcome to adulthood. Are you still unsure? Want to try it for a week? What's the worst thing that can happen? You'll finally clean out your inbox. Just kidding. That is never gonna happen. Hope you found this video helpful.